Welcome back. There's a very important meeting that is currently taking place at the Ministry of Defence. Now, this is regarding the recent surge in terror activities in Jammu and Kashmir. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh is in fact presiding over the meeting. The discussion is focused on the rising terror in Kashmir as well. The chief of all the armed forces are present at this crucial meeting along with the National Security Advisor Ajit Doval. In fact, what we're getting to hear from sources is that an army officer has now sustained injuries in the ongoing anti-terror operation in Doda district. The focus, remember, has shifted from the valley to Jammu region, which has seen a decade-long peace. He has been rescued. He's believed to be stable. So in light of that, we're getting news on this story. Amitabh Simna now joins us. Amitabh, Jammu region has seen and has been witnessing the surge in terror activities ever since the scrapping of Article 370, a very crucial meeting going on. Can you tell us a little bit more about this meeting that is on between the Defence Minister, the NSA and the three chiefs?
देखिए, दिल्ली में अपने ढंग की जम्मू कश्मीर को लेकर पहली बार रक्षा मंत्री ने इतनी बड़ी बैठक बुलाई, क्योंकि चिंता इस बात की है कि चुनाव आयोग जब चुनाव की तैयारियां कर रहा है जम्मू कश्मीर में, ऐसे में क्रॉस बॉर्डर इन्फिल्ट्रेशन बढ़ रहा है, स्लीपर सेल्स की संख्या बढ़ रही है और सारा फोकस टेररिस्ट मिलिटेंट्स का अब जम्मू रीजन में आता जा रहा है। तो ये चिंता का विषय है। इसीलिए अभी रक्षा मंत्री राजनाथ सिंह तीनों आर्मी चीफ के साथ और एनएसए और बाकी सुरक्षा अधिकारियों के साथ अभी एक महत्वपूर्ण बैठक कर रहे हैं डिफेंस मिनिस्ट्री में। और मुझे लगता है कुछ ना कुछ काउंटर करने का प्लान और इन्फिल्ट्रेशन रोकने का प्लान ये कर रहे हैं अभी।
जी, सबसे जो बड़ी चैलेंज रहा है अमिताभ इज अबाउट हाउ दीज टेररिस्ट्स आर टेकिंग रेफ्यूज, कवर ले रहे हैं हिली टेरेन को यूज करते हुए। they are exploiting that, they're making best use of the forested areas to attack the security forces. Will this also be discussed? It's a very important factor, and also deployment of extra troops.
बिल्कुल, काफी ट्रूप्स, आपको याद होगा ट्रूप्स को काफी मूव किया गया था, पैरामिलिट्री फोर्सेस को इलेक्शन में मूव किया गया था और जम्मू में भी काफी पीसफुल माहौल शुरू हो गया था। तो ऐसे में ही इन्फिल्ट्रेशन करके जम्मू के उन खासकर पूंछ, राजौरी, मेंढर, ये सब जो इलाके हैं, इन सब इलाकों में एक जो स्पर्ट आया है, एक जो सर्ज आया है मिलिटेंसी में, ये जाहिर है एक रोकने की कोशिश हो रही है जो लोकतांत्रिक प्रक्रिया वहां शुरू हो रही है उसको। और दूसरा, पाकिस्तान नहीं चाहता है वहां शांति हो और शांतिप्रिय तरीके से चुनाव हो, इसीलिए घटनाएं बढ़ रही हैं। और मुझे लगता है सरकार अब सजग हो रही है और सरकार इसको काउंटर करने के लिए तमाम उपाय कर रही है और फोर्सेस की संख्या भी लगातार बढ़ रही है वहां पर।
जी, very important meeting, and as Amitabh was rightly telling us, this meeting happening just before that crucial announcement of having the elections in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. I'm going to get in a quick word from Tejinder as well on the encounter that is underway in Jammu and Kashmir's Doda. Tejinder, लेटेस्ट खबर बताइए। अभी हमने न्यूज़ ब्रेक करा था कि वन सिक्योरिटी पर्सनल को इंजरीज हुई है, बट उसको रेस्क्यू कर लिया गया है। अभी जो माहौल है उसके बारे में बताइए, और हाउ मेनी टेररिस्ट्स आर बिलीव्ड टू बी होल्ड अप?
The encounter right now is still on, and it is believed that there are 2 to 3 foreign terrorists, mostly affiliated with the Jaish-e-Mohammed terror outfit. They are hiding in this area. You see, it's been more than 48 hours since this operation was launched by the security forces after they got inputs that some terrorists are hiding in this area. Earlier this morning, we reported that one terrorist is believed to have been badly injured. The security forces have recovered 3 bags from the area, and one M4 American-made assault rifle has already been recovered from the area. The operation is still on. As we speak, there has been an update that an army officer has been badly injured in the ongoing operation, though he has been evacuated to the military hospital, but his condition is stated to be critical. The army has just now put out a tweet saying that the search for the terrorist continues amidst heavy firefight. So heavy firefight is still going on. A civilian has already been injured that we reported in the morning, but yes, a young army officer has also been badly injured. He has been shifted to the military hospital for treatment. So you see, this is the second encounter which is raging on in Jammu region.
Right.
This one in the Assar area of Doda. So another anti-terror operation is already underway in the Patni Top area of Jammu. So multiple anti-terror operations going on right now in Jammu region. Yes.
Very interesting. While that search operation is continuing, there's also an important meeting that is happening here in the national capital with the Defence Minister Rajnath Singh meeting with the 3 chiefs of staff and also with the National Security Advisor Ajit Doval. I'm going to leave it at that. Tejinder and Amitabh, thank you both for joining us, getting us the latest on to the next breaking news. The